I would evaluate the experience of the whole EU-funded Demo Day project by pointing out two significant outcomes from it. One was the website, in which it presented advanced materials across Europe in a unique way. Never before have materials been available to be accessed through geography as a way to source and discover these opportunities. And secondly, the workshops that took place in London, in Copenhagen, in Prague, and then finally in Barcelona as part of the Barcelona Design Festival allowed for these materials to be presented within specific themes for each of those cities, but not only to be presented, but also to be disseminated by the participants, and for those participants to actually react to what they were seeing in a very meaningful way, which was part of the Sketcha Kucha. But I think is significant. I think within Europe we have many, many different strands of advanced materials coming out, and I think it's the role within design to be able to firstly discover these opportunities and then apply these opportunities. I think the role of the designer within this is completely about translating the advanced technologies into meaningful solutions for society, for consumers. And I think society is driven by two main areas. One is the environment, and I think the use of advanced materials to help reduce carbon emissions, to reduce weight, to enhance energy harvesting, I think are significant. I think it's the role of the designer to be able to translate those technologies into those key areas. I also think that the role of advanced materials will continue to feed the desire that we have within our cars, within our buildings, within our products, within our clothes for new sensations, new technology experiences, and also to connect the physical world with the data that is increasingly part of our lives. Advanced materials will pave the way towards the future, because the future is going to be increasingly relying on our interaction with technology, and I think it's the role of the designer to be able to smooth this process, to be able to capture the materials and then apply them, as I said before, in a meaningful way. I think the future won't be as it was in the 1950s, which was projected to be brightly coloured, to be futuristic by different shapes, as you saw in the 1950s science fiction movies. I think the future of advanced materials for us in 2013 is going to be a very different place. I don't think the world will look a lot different, but I think it will feel a lot different.